In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a professional website using GoHighLevel's intuitive website builder. Whether you're building a brand for finance or fitness, our aim is to guide you through creating a stunning and functional website tailored to your specific industry needs. Let's start by diving into the GoHighLevel dashboard. Upon logging in, you'll find a variety of customizable templates, each designed to cater to different industries, such as finance, fitness, and more. This ensures that your website is not only visually appealing, but also relevant to your business objectives. Next, we'll explore the drag and drop interface. This user-friendly feature allows you to arrange sections, rows, and columns with ease. Think of this as the backbone of your site's layout. Within these structures, you'll add individual elements like text, images, or call to action buttons. Simply drag these elements from the menu and drop them into your preferred area of the layout. For those perfecting design precision, the settings panel will be your best friend, offering controls for padding, margins, and visibility. Need to rearrange or tweak your content? No problem. Moving elements is as simple as using arrows or drag icons. If you need duplicates, cloning is just a click away, and removing unwanted elements is easily done with the trash icon. These features build a flexible and approachable content management system, allowing you to experiment freely. For handling complex layouts and managing multiple pages, the Layers panel and Pages tab provide enhanced control, helping you navigate through your site structure effortlessly. Now, let's delve into more advanced customization features. One of the standout capabilities of GoHighLevel is the ability to insert tracking codes. By placing these in headers or footers, you can integrate with analytics tools like Google Analytics and Facebook Pixel, empowering you to track user behavior and ad performance. Explore the custom CSS option to implement design tweaks beyond the default settings, giving you the creative freedom to modify layouts, animations, and responsive behaviors, enhancing your site's uniqueness. Typography is another central aspect where you can maintain brand consistency. With GoHighLevel, you have control over fonts, sizes, weights, and colors across your website, with real-time previews aiding in perfecting your brand's aesthetic. In addition, you can customize backgrounds with colors, gradients, or images globally to align with your brand's visual theme. Or add dynamic video backgrounds for an eye-catching, interactive homepage experience. As we venture toward the back-end configurations, learn to set up custom domains, attach favicons, and add site-wide tracking codes. GoHighLevel also supports e-commerce features for product sales, integrating smoothly with platforms like Shopify and Stripe. This includes order management and payment processing directly on your site, simplifying online transactions. Don't forget the SEO tools that help optimize page titles, meta descriptions, and URLs, indispensable for driving organic traffic to your site. And before you're ready to go live, be sure to test all links, forms, and integrations. The preview functions available will help simulate the visitor experience. Finally, as we conclude, I invite you to start a 14-day free trial. Dive in and experience GoHighLevel's powerful and user-friendly website building capabilities firsthand. Happy site building!